In this video, we're going to learn LangChain from beginner to advanced. We'll start with a chapter 0, where we learn what LangChain actually is. In the first chapter, we'll talk about chat models and message types. In the second chapter, we'll look at how to format a response, and then runnables. After that, we'll cover prompt templates and chat prompt templates. Then we get to multi-agent systems. We'll learn what an agent is, what a tool is, and walk through a conceptual guide on multi-agent systems. In Chapter 6, we'll talk about middleware, what it is, and how to use it to protect your app. Finally, we'll finish with guardrails. We'll learn what a guardrail is and how to use it to validate user inputs. So let's get started. So, what is LangChain? LangChain is an open-source orchestration framework for developing applications that use large language models. If you head to their site, you'll see the same thing. It's an open-source framework for building applications powered by LLMs. That's LangChain. Now let's head over to Node.js and learn how to install everything. If you don't have Node.js on your computer, go to the Node.js site and click Download. Download the latest Node.js version. Once that's done, open your command prompt to verify the install. You can see I'm using version 22. Now I'll initialize a brand new Node.js project. I'll create a folder called LangChain course, then a subfolder LangChain course v1, cd into it, and run npm init y. That's how we initialize a Node.js project. Next we head to docs.langchain.com. Once you're there, go to the TypeScript section, then into the installation menu, and run npm install LangChain at langchain/core. And that's all you need to do. Once LangChain is installed, open your text editor and create a source folder. You'll also install the .env package so you can access your environment variables. Just run npm install .env. Once that's done, we're ready to start building apps. Now let's start with the first chapter, chat models, model invocation, and message types in LangChain. Before we go, we need a key from a model provider. Here I'm using Cerebras in Fireworks. Head to Cerebras and create an account to get an API key, or use Fireworks to get one. Either provider works. In the source folder I've already got a file ready, and I've imported Chat Fireworks and Chat Cerebras. I also import the message types human message and system message from at langchain/core/messages. To initialize a model, you pass the model provider and the model name, or you construct a class like new Chat Fireworks, passing the model, the temperature, and the API key. That's how you initialize a model in LangChain.